Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to port your DU SIM to Etisalat in 2026. So before you start doing anything, just make sure that your DU line is active and not suspended. You should also pay any outstanding bills if you are a postpaid user. If you are a prepaid user, you can try to use up your remaining credits and the data because it will not be transferred to your new Etisalat SIM. So once you have it cleared, you just have to simply open the application of Etisalat, or you can also do the same steps in your Etisalat website. So here, when you log in into your account, you just have to look for the section that would say switch to EU or port your number. So when you select the option, you will be asked to enter the DU mobile number that you want to keep. So after selecting that option, you just have to fill out the form that is going to provide you the information about yourself. So you will need to upload a clear copy of your Emirates ID. In 2026, the system is highly automated. So logging in with the UAE Pass is the fastest way to verify your identity and sign in the request digitally. So choose the new Etisalat SIM plan. It can be prepaid or a postpaid. So once you submit a request, Etisalat will arrange for a new SIM card to be delivered to your doorstep. During delivery, the agent will verify your original Emirates ID one last time. Just wait for the confirmation SMS. The porting process usually takes 1 to 2 working days. You will receive a text message from DU and Etisalat telling you when the switching is happening. So when your DU SIM stops working, simply insert your new Etisalat SIM, restart your phone, and you are ready to go. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.